Hello guys, I'm Uday Kumar. This video going to see about binary search tree in data structure and algorithm. First of all, we're going to create a node. So class node, then definite of self comma data, then self dot data equal to data, then self dot left equal to none, then self dot right equal to none. Then binary search tree, class binary search tree. So definite of self, then self dot root equal to none. We're going to insert a element in the binary search tree. So def insert of self comma node comma data. If self dot root equal to none, then self dot root equal to node of data. Then elif node equal to none, new node of equal to node of data. Then return new node. Else if node dot data greater than data, node dot left equal to self dot insert of node dot left comma data. Elif node dot data less than data, node dot right equal to insert dot left insert self dot insert of node dot right comma data. Else it will print a duplicate number, duplicate value, then return node. Next we're going to see about in order, pre order, and post order. So first of all, we're going to see in order. So def in order of self comma node. If self dot root, then if of node. If node dot left, then self dot in order of node dot left. Then print the element, print the data. If node dot right, then self dot in order of node dot right. Else will print the data tree not created. Next you want to see a pre-order. So def pre-order of self comma node. If self dot root, then if of node, then it will print a q data. Otherwise, if not node of if node dot left, self dot pre-order of node dot left. If node dot right, and then self dot pre-order of node dot right. Else it will print a tree not created. Next you going to see a post order. So def post order of self comma node. If self dot root, then if of node. Then if of node dot left, then self dot post order of node dot left. If node dot right, then self dot post order of node dot right. Then it will print the required data. Else it will print a tree not created. Next you're going to do a monitoring program. So BST equal to binary search tree. Then I'm going to give a first choice as insert data, and second choice is in order, and third choice is pre-order, and fourth choice is post-order, and fifth choice is exit. So giving so that I get to get a user input like enter your choices. If we give a for choice one, it will ask enter data to be inserted. So bst dot insert of bst dot root comma data. So next is if choice is 2, it will show a pre in order in order of the element. If choice is 3, it will show a pre order of the element. If the choice is 4, it will show a post order of the element. If choice is 5, it will uh, exit the program. We run the program. So we will ask a choice, enter the choice. So now giving choices 1. We're entering it will asking enter data to be inserted. So giving data as 10. Again going to insert the data. So giving choices 1. So again I'm going to enter data as 15. So again I'm giving a choices 1. Again I'm going to insert the data as 13. Sorry, 20. Again I'm going to give a choices 1. I'm going to give a choice data as 13. Again I'm going to give a choices 1 to insert the data. So 1. Again I'm going to give a data as 14. Now we're going to give a in order, so giving choices 2. Now the in order is showing in order is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Then pre-order I'm going to do a pre-order, so giving choices 3. So the pre-order is 10, 50, 20, 30 and 40. I'm going to do a post order, so giving charges 4. The post order is 40, 30, 20, 50, 10. Now exit the program, so giving charges 5. That's all guys, thanks for watching.